FAST's journey began nearly 4 decades ago with a mission to promote industrialization in Pakistan and contribute towards the nation's socio-economic uplift. A key milestone in the journey was the establishment of a cable manufacturing plant in 1985. Fast Cables soon became a household name due to their premium quality and reliability. The confidence reposed by architects, consultants, and engineers in the Fast brand led to the rapid growth of our branch network across the country and our expansion into the metals and PVC verticals. In 2015, Fast took a leap forward by laying the foundation of a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant incorporating the latest technology for production of cables and conductors. We also launched our trade dealership network to facilitate customers and introduce Fast Tasdeeq, the first cable verification service in Pakistan, which allows customers to check the genuineness of the product purchased and be assured of its quality and safety. 2017 was a momentous year for Fast, as we became the first company in Pakistan to introduce the CCV line technology for production of MV cables, and also the first company to attain the prestigious KEMA Gold certification from Netherlands. Fast also became the first company to set up an aluminum alloy plant, thus cementing its place as a market leader committed to innovation and excellence. In 2022, within just 5 years, Fast commenced operations of its second CCV line and initiated the production of 500 kV Greeley conductors, further solidifying its position as the nation's leading manufacturer of cables and conductors and a key contributor to national efforts to foster self-reliance in the power sector. Other milestones include the establishment of a copper plant using upcasting rod technology, an introduction of Pakistan's first mobile application for the cable industry, Fast Tasdeeq Plus, which provides enhanced security through QR code-based cable verification service. Fast's motto, Taron se Sitaron tak, embodies the Fast approach of striving, achieving, and delivering excellence in all aspects of life. This approach is driven by principles such as customer focus, authenticity, sustainability, and teamwork. It is this commitment to bringing excellence to the customer experience that has led Fast to take on the challenge of providing premium quality made in Pakistan LED lights. Alongside manufacturing household, commercial and industrial LED lights, Fast is also providing energy audits and lighting design services for the convenience of corporate and domestic clients nationwide. Fast's commitment to excellence goes beyond the production of high-quality products. It also encompasses the well-being of our people and surroundings. One of the latest initiatives taken in this regard is the replacement of wooden reels with recyclable steel reels for cable transportation. Other ongoing projects include tree plantation drives and provision of clean drinking water for local communities through the establishment of water filtration plants. Fast has also set up several welfare initiatives in collaboration with Fatima Lateef Foundation, such as the Al Falah Medical Center, Nawab Pura Vocational Training Center for Women, Learn Fast Institute of Technology, and the Fatima Lateef Scholarship Program for promoting education and literacy. With unwavering determination, Fast continues to support the dreams and aspirations of individuals and communities in order to have a positive impact on society. We, the Fast family, promise you that in the journey of national and industrial development, Fast is with you every step of the way. Fast, Taron se Sitaron tak.